guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a Blitsy haul. I will be listing down below every single item that I purchased. You guys should definitely check out the site. After you spend $29, I think it is, you get free shipping, which is amazing because shipping is one of the worst things I hate to pay. I feel like I'd rather spend the $50 and get free shipping than spend $7 or $8 on shipping. I don't know if I'm alone on that, but I just hate paying shipping. So let's get on with the haul. But before I show you what I picked up on Blitsy, I want to show you what I picked up on eBay. I picked up this Eco Tools 1/2" punch. I saw Handmade by Soso when she made a confetti video using this punch, so I decided to pick it up so that I can make my own confetti because I did not have the 1/2". I do have like the 2", the 1", so I might make a mixture of it. But I think this is the perfect size to make confetti, and I got it for really cheap. I think I got it for like $5. So that's the only item that it's not from Blitsy. I got this on eBay. And on with the items from Blitsy, I picked up the new collection by Crepe Paper, which is Wild Heart, and these are the standouts, and they're these cute little rosettes. And I love how these turned out. And yes, they're super easy to make, but I always like to pick up what comes with the collection just to have it, just the crafter in me. And it's funny because I did make something similar a couple of days ago for a swap. I made these. Didn't they turn out so cute? And they're similar, except these are like full-blown rosettes. But this is the first thing that I picked up. I also picked up the ephemera pack, which you guys know I love me some ephemera. I should have picked up 2. I probably might pick up another just because I like to have multiple packs when it comes to the ephemera, because once you use one piece, it's like gone. You know I will be buying the digital when it comes out because I love to have these collections in digital as well. But this is everything you get in the ephemera pack. I'm sure that in the digital, we are going to get like 10 times more. So these pieces up here are all vellum pieces, and then these are the rest of the pieces. I love the colors in this collection. It's kind of like Oasis, but more muted. I feel like Oasis was very bright and colorful. This is more on the muted side, more dull, and I like it. So that's the ephemera. I also picked up these stickers. These are super cute. They're puffy. And that's what they look like. And then of course I picked up the paper pad, which looks like this. And this is the, I think, what's the 6x8. I like this size more than the 6x6. I usually get the 6x6 as well, but this time around I only picked up the 6x8. And you get 6 pages with gold foiling. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen flip throughs of this, but I'll do a quick one. How cute is that page? Loving the whole tropical theme, especially when it looks like this. There's certain tropical themes that I'm not really a big fan of, but I like this style. And the colors in this collection are totally me. Next thing I picked up is the thickers. And you guys, I usually don't pick up the thickers to the collections, but recently I have, just because I feel like it goes well when you're making a project with a certain collection to use everything. It makes the project look cute, I think. These are called Charming, and look, you guys, they look like faded and distressed, which is why I think I like them so much, with the little hints of pink. Love them. And then I picked up these are the cardstock stickers, the 12x12, because it's both sides, and this is what they look like. Super cute. You get alphas. And then I think that's everything that I picked up from the Wild Heart collection. And then I was running low on my tiny attacher staples, so I picked up a pack of these. These are super affordable, like $3. And then you guys, I've been meaning to pick up this stencil by Tim Holtz, the splatter stencil. Ada, the paper treasure, uses this, almost got tongue-tied, uses this on a lot of her envelopes that she makes, and I see it and I'm like, oh my god, I need to get it, and I don't get it. And she mentioned that it might be getting discontinued, so I jumped on it when I saw it in the Blitsy website. I can't wait to play with this. I'm super excited about this actually. And then you guys, oh, I did forget something from the Wild Heart collection. The chipboard, you guys. I picked up the chipboard, of course. And this is what that looks like. I love all these little flags in the bottom. You can make like your own little banner in a project. So I did get that. And then I restocked on the Imagine That by Echo Park. This is the chipboard phrases. And this collection, you guys, it's so beautiful. I still have another pack, but I wanted to have a backup because I plan to make a project using this. Super cute. This one is just the chipboard accents. And that's what that looks like. How cute is that skate? I'm sure you guys have seen these all over. Everyone is using that collection. And then I picked up the cardstock stickers. It's just so cute, you guys. That unicorn is adorable. So pretty. I own this collection in digital as well, but sometimes it's good to have the physical as well. And the last item that I picked up is the paper collection, right? Is that what they call them? Like the paper collection. You get the 12, is it how many? Yeah, 12. Oh my God, so confusing. 12 by 12 sheets of paper, and they're double-sided. These are all the papers that you get, and this is such a good deal. And you get another pack of the stickers on the opposite side. So you end up getting all the papers and the stickers, and this is like 12 bucks, which is a great deal because yes, you can have the 6x6 paper pad, but sometimes if you want to make something a little bit bigger, you do need the 12 by 12. But yeah, you guys, that is my Blitzy haul. Definitely check out all the links down below if you want to purchase any of these items. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for all the amazing comments you guys leave on all my videos. I know you guys were looking forward to Wifey Wednesday, but Wifey's back went out and she's been a lot of pain. She didn't want to film this week, so it'll be back on Wednesday next week. But thank you so much for the love. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell to be notified whenever I upload another video. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.